Right, so obviously this is part where you come in to the pods and you come into this section, and we are literally here. So let's get a good shot. I might get some pictures of this in a bit actually. Be good for some thumbnails. You can see Tina there, I hope you can. She's just having a puff and chill out. You can see the balcony here, balcony here. Don't know why you couldn't park here, to be fair. Oh, there's a car coming. Let me just stop a sec. Right, someone was just driving past. So anyway, I'm surprised you can't park the car here. Ours, I would have probably got on here. But they said you got to park. See there that white car is? There's car parking there for all these pods. So you've got your own parking space as well, which is labelled, which isn't too bad. The parking's quite big as well. So you've got plenty of parking. You've got all this field here for the kids to play on, benches for you to sit out and that, have a chat with people. Obviously you've got people, you can tell some of these are seasonal. Pictures got fences and that all around. We'll be asking about this actually, about seasonal, and let you all know how much a camping is. But yeah, so we'll take you in and show you. That's better. I've just changed my camera just so we can get more in the field of view. So as you can see, there is a gate. Oh, and also these are pet friendly, aren't they?
Yeah.
Which I'll show you in a minute, because there's a dog bowl there. So you've got a gate here, which obviously shuts. So if I've been naughty, Tina can either shut me out or shut me in, or keep the kids shut in or shut out. As you can see, Harvey's made a mess with all his cars out already, even though they've gone to the park. You've got the dog bowls there, but you can see how big the decking is. It's huge.
Looks like they've cleaned it.
Yeah, let's move that. Let's shut this door a minute so we can actually... There we go. You can see how much space was there. So you've got yourself a little table, 2 chairs. We've bought our camping chairs because my fat back end hardly gets in these and I'm going to get my butt stuck. So we don't want that happening. So in here, you've got your bathroom here. We'll go and show you in a minute. Loads of storage here. You've got your sink. We'll do this side first. You've got a microwave, which I also think is a microwave oven, because it's got a lot of tray and things in there, so that's handy. You've got your obviously these bits are ours. You've got your toaster, kettle. Look what Tina's done today. One of our favourite places for hot chocolate. Can't wait to have some of that. Hot chocolate from Costa's my favourite. You've got fridge, freezer, so as you can see, we've got some chicken strips in there, so we're having wraps tonight. Actually, that freezer's not a bad size. You've got a little shelf there as well. Yeah, that's a good idea, because it does feel very warm, even though the weather's meant to be a bit pants tomorrow. So we've got some milk, some drinks for the kids there, usual bits and bobs, drinks. It's full.
I beg your pudding, Morrison's receipts here.
Ah, yeah, Tina was telling me off, thinking I threw the Morrison's receipt. You have 2 rings, which is an induction hob. You do get everything here as well, apparently. Obviously that's our juice, your sink and whatnot. You get all your utensils.
I haven't even checked.
Oh, they're soft clothes as well.
Oh, there's a tea towel.
Oh well. So they're all soft clothes.
Cups.
Hang on, watch out, Bill. Oh. And there's all your pots, so you can obviously, there you go. So you get everything you need really, just to come. What else is in here?
Cups, plates.
Cups and plates, bowls, glasses. I've even got a jug, and they've even got a casserole dish at the back there.
What's at the back then?
What, the metal thing?
No, the glass.
Well, that'll be for you to fill juice up, and you'll be able to put it in the fridge for kids and that. All the storage, obviously this is all ours, so you can imagine how much we've been. We bought Marley. Weren't forgetting me Marley. If anyone wonders, yeah, make things easier, we've even bought the air fryer. I've still got to do a review on this yet. Few bits and bobs here, but don't really use this much now, but now I bought it, I'm going to use it. So the bathroom, where's the switch? There it is. Nice size bathroom for how small this is. Got your toilet. Then didn't come with it. We've bought them. We go through so much toilet roll. I don't know what all yous do. If yous go through loads, but we always do. And then we'll do this side. So you got all our junk. You do get though a courtesy water. 2 2-litre bottles as well. So that's handy. all your leaflets and your map and everything, but we'll show you all that on the tour. And like I said, we've got our little camping fridge we used to have. That's got to be over 10 years old now, that, and it's still going. Power station's there, charging it, well, running it. Got some, I think there's 4 stools under there. Our camping chairs are there. You've got radiators, obviously summer you won't need it, but winter you will. Nice big sofa, but it's not very comfortable, but it's only for sitting on and sleeping, so it doesn't really bother us. But that unfolds to a double bed, which I've just learnt how to do it. So, and then you've got this big double bed here, plenty of space underneath, which we like because we put all our junk in there actually, so it's all been made, look. You do have dimmer lights in here as well, which switches just over there. You've got a little TV, you've got blinds that obviously come down, cover this whole door, but you've got a dimmer switch there for the lights as well. So we'll take you outside. I'm actually using the new muff on the microphone, so I'm going to see how it does in the wind now, because it's smaller so it fits better. Mirror here. Hello everybody. Oh, the door's just shut on me.
You have to throw it against the wall.
Well, we're going to do a test on the microphone now because it is windy out here. Oh, so as you can see, more touring pictures at the back of us. So we've got a big deck in here. So if I come this side into the corner, look at the size of this decking. It's huge. Little light outside as well, little aerial, so the TV does work. Wonder if this switch works. What's that? Is that for the light here? Oh yeah, that's for the light, so you've got outdoor lighting as well. But some of these along here do have hot tubs, so I'm guessing the hot tub will be probably on one side here and a little bit of chair area here. And obviously you've got a light as well for night time for the hot tub, so a bit jealous. I've always wanted a hot tub, but you can't have everything. One day I will, and then when I do I'll spend most of the holiday in it. So I'm hoping it's not picking too much wind noise up here, because it is blowy quite a bit. We've got more heavy wind coming tomorrow. Apparently the weather's meant to be a bit pants tomorrow. But no, so far so good. Even the drive into here was beautiful, to be honest, but we'll show you that. We'll have a walk around. Oh, oh, that's better. So I'm not sure if you heard me or anything with the microphone, with how windy it was, but can't do a lot. But yeah, absolutely incredible place so far. Might just include this in the tour, mightn't we? Just do a little pod tour or something, just a short video. We'll see what goes on. So anyway, we'll catch you in a bit.